Hi, I'm Thomas from Carsifu.my and we are here at Aston Martin Kuala Lumpur showroom with this marvel of British engineering and design. Right? This is the Aston Martin DBS Superleggera. It has a 5.2-litre twin-turbo V12 engine, outputting an astounding 725 PS with 900 Newton meters of torque. You can do the 0 to 100 kph sprint in 3.4 seconds. That's how fast it is. And there's a lot of power in this car. For a better explanation regarding this car, we're going to talk to Mr. Richie, Sales Manager for Aston Martin Kuala Lumpur. This car is the latest from Aston Martin and is the pinnacle for Aston Martin sports cars, right?
Correct.
It replaces the Vanquish S as the flagship for Aston Martin.
Yes.
Right. So can you tell us a bit more about the engineering aspects of this car? Like, for example, it's a lightweight construction.
Yes. Okay, let me show you. Okay, for the lightweight construction, it consists the bonnet with the carbon fiber finishing, and also from the front, as you can see here, it's also carbon fiber finishing. All right, then it comes to the side skirt. It's all carbon fiber.
Very nice.
And back to here, so the rear bumper and as well as the rear boot is also consists of carbon fiber finishing. For this clamshell, okay, so this is a clamshell bonnet. It's a one-piece carbon fiber finishing. All right. So as you can see, the engine compartment, it has a 5.2-litre twin turbo.
Very
all right.
impressive.
It produces about 715 horsepower with 900 Newton meter torque. Okay, as you can see, this clamshell, as we close, all right, then it has a soft touch closing.
Oh,
right, it
very
closes by
classy.
itself. Yeah. Okay.
So
As you
this
can
is 2+2 seating?
This is a 2+2 seating. Okay, it comes with a dual tone design for the seat as well. All right, so you can opt for whichever colors that you prefer on the DBS seat, on the DBS. And as you can see here, this design, this is a satin chopped carbon fiber. All right,
looks very
finishing.
nice.
Yes. This also can reduce the lightweight of the car.
B&O audio system.
It comes with a B&O system as well. I mentioned before. All right, the rear boot. Okay, the whole piece is also carbon fiber.
Wow.
And the bumper as well.
Okay. Do check out our website for the latest car news and reviews, and also our Facebook page. See you next time.